Welcome! In front of me I have Nokia Activite Steel and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Withings HealthMate application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Actually, let me reopen it, like this. Once the application opens, you should see the home page. Now, tap on the device icon in the top right corner to open the device page, and on this page you should see your watch, as you can see. Now tap on the All Settings button, scroll down, find the button called Dissociate this product, tap on it, and tap on Remove from my account. After this is done, you can close the app, open the settings on your iPhone. In settings, tap on Bluetooth and check if you have any devices on the My Devices list. As you can see, we don't have any, so we can close the settings. And another thing that basically producer or manufacturer of this watch recommends is to factory reset the watch after you unpair it from your phone. So to do it, you need to grab some kind of pin. For example, I'm gonna use this. Where is it? Come on. Here it is. This SIM ejection tool. And what you need to do with the pin is basically flip your watch around. And on the back of the watch, there's this button right here at the top. And what we need to do is to press it 5 times. With each press, you will feel the watch vibrate. And after the 5th press, the watch will vibrate twice, which means that the watch has been reset. So let's press it 5 times. Once, twice, thrice, 4th, and 5th. And the watch vibrated 5 times. And once it's done, we can basically, that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.